Alrighty folks, today's video I'm going to show you how to make a stainless steel pan non-stick. Obviously this is a lot healthier than your Teflon pans. If you can, chuck them, because once you scratch a Teflon pan, those are like forever chemicals getting in your body. Don't do it. Go stainless steel. Problem with stainless steel is if you don't know what you're doing, we've all been there with eggs, absolutely rubbish. So I've had this on for a little while, electric or gas, doesn't matter. And let me show you when I dump in some water, what the temperature is. I've probably had that on for maybe 2 minutes or so ballpark before we do put in. There you go. So you want it nice and bubbling like that. Again, it was on for about 2 minutes. And that's evaporating real quickly. Okay, so you can use this with butter or your non-stick spray. If you are going with non-stick spray, I highly recommend going with organic olive oil, or you can also do coconut oil, organic, or you can put in your grass-fed organic butter. But what I like to do, regardless of what I use, let me just show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that in. You're like, man, that's a lot of non-stick spray. Exactly. Then I take a napkin and I literally just wipe it, not like off completely, but so there is a very thin layer all the way around it right there. So see all that? I got all that excess off. And then we're gonna let that sit for just a second here. And then what I like to do is I like to go ahead and beat my eggs before I pour them in there. So what's happening now is the non-stick spray, butter, whatever it is cooking up really nicely for that underprotective layer, non-stick layer I'm gonna call it. So let's go ahead and beat my eggs. We'll put them in. We'll show you how beautiful this is. And if you are wondering, so my eggs are beat. And if you are wondering, I'm on like low, medium. You don't want it obviously too high. And I just noticed I have a blueberry that somehow got in there from this morning's oatmeal. So putting that back on, just showing you that. Now be ready to turn these because it depends on how high you have it. They're gonna cook very, very quickly. So let's just go ahead and dump that in. As you can see there, they cook really, really quickly. Let's grab our wooden spoon here. And again, we don't wanna burn the bottom, but look at how that is non-stick right there. Now, of course, you're going to get like very small little traces, but you can literally just scrape it off with your spatula. Before I started this hack, I was literally scrubbing this pan for, oh, goodness knows how long before I got all, like I would soak it and then I would have to like do it all. So look at how, look at how that's just cruising through non-stick, where before I'd be like scraping it. And okay, look in the corners here. It's just coming right off. So like, see even that right there? And then watch this right here. So the whole pan would be that, but look at how that's just coming right up. Okay, gotta be careful I don't burn my eggs here. We want them nice and beautifully fluffy. And if you're not beating your eggs, I highly recommend beating your eggs because beating your eggs makes them beautifully fluffy. Okay, that's perfect. Hold on one second. Alrighty, so the eggs are plated, and this is what I have left over in my dish plate, but again, super easy, literally just like one twirl around, and I'm gonna put that on my plate. And cleaning this is literally like cleaning, you know, as quick as I could clean that with dish soap, I could clean this. No like major stuff. I was literally having to like scrape it like a frozen windshield just to get the stuff out of the pan. But this hack has really been beneficial. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck into these. If you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button. Potential thumbnail shot here, click. And definitely subscribe to the channel if you wanna see more videos like this. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next one.